Hey Rosebuds, thanks for joining me. I wanted to share with you another climber, and it's back here. This is Jasmina, whatever her name is. I have her next to Pompanella. This is Pompanella. The rose bloom size is very similar between Pompanella and Jasmina. So this rose is 2 years old. It's rooted on multiflora. I look for roses that are black spot resistant, and this rose looks great. So I just did a video and I shared with you my Rosanna, and so you can compare now, same age, how this rose looks. So this one is much more upright if you're looking at the branch, the canes, whereas this one just seems a little bit more relaxed in its habit. So if you're looking for something maybe that's not as aggressive or as robust, that's a nicer word, as robust as Rosanna, you might want to consider Jasmina. I don't know which one it is. You tell me. All right. Well, thanks so much for joining me. I will see you in the next video.